Ka BJP Meghalaya kala penramjur ke Sarkar Kongres Jarkan Mukti Morcha lo ke jingpen stom bagi jingpenan kam da Khubor ke Samla Pule ba penong Jingkylli Ranchi kad ba ke jo Khubor ke nong ilam jo ke jelahi kala kentat na ke Jingphah klie ha ke jekran na ke baide bu nong ilam Samla jo ka u Mewaker lengdo pakma aba penram ke Jingkylli Ranchi General Secretary jang ke BJP Meghalaya uba wan ket bok pochna ulong ba ke jingpenan kam da Khubor persya ek Samla Pule kala penle rani ke kom sinshar pat ba pada ke jinglong breu ula kenok bak sarkar senrap acarkan kalapen stom da kabapenan kami gilati tiagas persya ek Samla Pule ke beki ek lenti ke bejai-jai na ke bentak ke hok jongki ula kenok unang ilam ke kongres Rahul Gandhi bulale arsap namar bu sengap jar hajarkan kad ba ukran ke jingkersha ni ke Jingkylli Delhi
Watla menteri ki kampo yin u Amit Shah ulalong bakloi banjuba ya borok ki Jingkylli haying dorbar thau an nai ka seng kongres hapo ke jingalam jong Rahul Gandhi kam Shimla ailat satya ya haying dorbar baganya chkhmat baganya bet daga bepuntut kumne kumtai man na kasni ningkong u Rahul Gandhi uladawa ba menteri beripet ya kampuli putih u Dharmendra Pradhan u deban e no kam nangta uladawa badai ban yatai halor ka nit haying dorbar bat ka sarkar umtang bakala ailat ban yatai ya kani ka phang henrei kalawara sundon daki kendon daka an ka beperking susu ya ka rukom pelong eksamen hapokari brokawai ka sarkar kala simkha halor kani ka jinglat tu jongki Jingkylli jongki eksamen bapher bat kala pen kiru ya ka jingpen stom la dalap ya ki babakla nadu basdang ya ka dorbar liur hau banai na itung ka sarkar kala plelut kilat kilenti bandon ke jingatai halor kimat ki bapher babun bat khamtam habanwara susu iki an kiba don kam hapokari henrei nagalyang persya balayalam de seng kongres kam Shimla ailat satya kani ka penpau shai ke jingle bam setnyo jong seng kongres bat ka jing bamburom shu ya ke yeng kentang jong kari ka parliament hakaba kinya ki jutang kim dondor shu namar ka jingle arsap jong seng kongres hapo ka jingelam u Rahul Gandhi hadalhi men badang ki Samla Pule halor ka jinglat tu ki Jingkylli por ka nit ka seng kongres kalapani baka yeng ringkat bi Samla Pule henai ha jala Jharkhand baka senchar lang bat ka Jharkhand Mukti Morcha ka ju hi ka seng kongres ka khaprep ki khmat ha ka por baki Samla ki khi halor ka jerse tungkam jong ka JPSC kisha bom kisha tet bat kisha Siat tear gas ka penpau shai ya ka jing arsap kinongelam ka seng kongres ki pakloi banyalam bakla ya ki pajba wat ban penskong thu baklaru ya ki an bapher sha ki pajba tang ban buri ya la ki jing duna joki hajaka bakin long kita ki jokhot liang persya bai ban ailat bandon ka jingatai hapo ka ying dorbar phosi ka seng kongres bat Rahul Gandhi ki phet yamrem penban kumta ka seng BJP ni dawa na Rahul Gandhi bat ka seng kongres hi brakoi baki dei ban panma ki pajba jongari halor ka jingyalam bakla jongki bat ka jingbam ailat ya ka parliament bakan trekam katkum kirkom ki badai ka badai namar amtang baka serwa ka por henry ka serwa ka pisa khajna jongki pajba namar kamap ka parliament ka diga chaka ka bakantang banya tai ki jinge jongki pajba amtang ban supen tumar basakhoi kumbakwa ka seng kongres
haba ki Nongpathai Khubor ki labuk ke Jingkylli halor ke jingpenan kam da Khubor ka BJP persya ek Samla Pule Delhi kumju halor ke jingkran u presiden ke BJYM u Mewaker lengdo pakma labuk ek video jong Jingkylli Samla Pule ajantar mantar bak Jingphah shoot them tear gas ain't enough ringkat bat ke hashtag UAPA sedition wala kadan ke jing persya ke bejor ni pat ba Meghalaya ke seng kala kentak dan chimkhai kane da ke bakam bu account upakma la sha hack kansan da ke benta kattu kane second shwa ban delete no ya ke post kamtam bakem shimladan kanu kanu jing ujor FIR halor kane uba po shna ul kentak ban kran ai da ke bakdo ba ke seng kala dap ban pensha halor kane bat kam ya kane kum ke ai ke baret Ulong babon ki jingkran ki bami ki por ki jingki bo lekentu Rahul Gandhi ba Debansha ek parliament bantrai kam menedai ki Samla jongkari. Da ka ai jingmot ya kinong yalam san perthai ban husiar ban pet ki rensan social media joki namar ki jingma na ki jingsha hak.
Parliament to function, let us concentrate on that because the country needs to debate on major issues. This is a small issue. And the abusive languages of others also are much more major than whatever has been
Then
coming
you
out.
are
from
admitting
Meghalaya.
that this is a small issue.
See, even the other, see in a protest, even many people has made so many unwanted statements. So let's not go reading about what has happened. Let us look at what we can do now. Let the parliament function so that the youth and the future of the country is secure.
It's just
Provided
about
we have a debate.
accountability, that's the only reason. However, how did the BJP react to the recent calling out of Congress on the FCRA?
Let the parliament function, all this will come out. That is what we are requesting. Let the parliament function. Let's not speak on the street. Let all these issues which are concerning the people's life be debated thoroughly on the House of People.
Just one last question. Since after you've seen whatever has happened, you're saying that it's on his personal account, whatever he's posted. Will the party going forth now ensure that nobody tends to post something that will ruin the party itself?
Yeah, naturally, actually, as political leaders, we should be diligent enough of what we do in our day-to-day lives, and we request anybody who's holding important position to kindly monitor their personal account, because nowadays personal accounts can be hacked. Just the other day, we got another complaint by one of our state vice president, again account was hacked. So these kind of issues.
For how many minutes the accounts gets hacked?
See, I cannot see. When
Or how
see,
many
a mobile
seconds?
gets compromised in any way, so
Okay,
I
for
cannot
how
do
many
that.
Why no
seconds the
FIR
time
was
gets
filed?
hacked?
Huh?
Why no FIR was filed?
See, I don't know how do social media platforms work. I see that we have a medium of complaining to the platform, so I think so that's
For how many seconds the accounts get
How
hacked?
do you ask? My account has not been hacked, and if my account is hacked,
And after
I
hacking,
take
why does that post get deleted?
that. I don't see. I'm telling you,
Hackers are favoring
I'm not
BJP.
privy to anything what you're speaking. That has happened at a time when maybe I was not available. I'm not aware. I was more concentrating at the Jantar Mantar incident. So what has happened locally? So we are not aware.
So,
And I'm not there to
hackers are
follow anybody's.
BJP man.
See, we have so many members of the party. I don't have time to follow everybody's personal account, right? So let's keep this aside. Let's keep the chief important agenda now at the front. Our parliament has to function, and it has to function in the right way, in a pure democratic way. And we please, through your medium, we want to request to the Congress that do not just go to the streets. Allow the parliament to function and debate there. Our Home Minister, our Honorable Home Minister, is willing to answer to all the questions, the queries that the Congress party has. So we request Rahul Gandhi ji to kindly please face our Honorable Home Minister in the floor of the House.